Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do the exercise pages of unit number 4. First of all, we are starting with the question and answers. Here is an activity, exercise A, that is answer the questions. What you have to do is you have to write the answers on your books. Question number 1 is name 3 foods you get on a farm. So you have to write in these blanks the name of the foods like butter, milk, yogurt, cream, etc. Name only 3 foods which you get on a farm. Then question number 2, name 3 things a grocer had long ago. So as I told you in the previous lecture about the things which grocer had to bring to the houses. So number 3, name 3 things people cooked long ago. So you have to write 3 things which people used to cook long ago. Then, do you live on a farm? If you live, then you have to take yes. If you don't live, you have to take no. But you have to write the answer that would you like to live on a farm? You have to write your answer in this line. Then question number 5, write 2 of the ingredients you need for the biscuits. So there were basic 4 ingredients in the making of biscuits and you have to write just 2 ingredients. Then question number 6, name 2 mistakes that you should avoid. So you have to write the mistakes that you have to avoid. Like if you forgot to preheat the oven, so you have to write that mistake. Then if you haven't softened the butter, then you have to write that mistake. So you have to write these 2 mistakes. Then we are having the exercise of true and false. So here are very simple options. You have to tick or cross these options if something is true. Long ago people often lived on a farm. So this is true. Then making biscuits you need 150 gram of flour. So this is wrong. So these are all options and you have to tick or cross these options. Then on the next page we are having exercise of capital letters and full stops. So you already know that we are starting a statement or a sentence with a capital letter and we end a sentence with a full stop. So you people have to rewrite these sentences in your rough copies, or you have to start these sentences with the capital letters and you have to end the letters sentences with the full stop. Then there is exercise B, underline any words that are missing a capital letter. So in these sentences there are few words or nouns which are starting with the capital letters but mistakenly written with the small letters. So what you have to do is you have to correct these mistakes and you have to rewrite these sentences using a capital letter. Then exercise C, read this passage carefully, then rewrite it correctly below. Can you find 20 mistakes? So you have to pick out 20 mistakes and you have to write this paragraph again in the lines and you should avoid that mistake. So you have to write the paragraph correctly. Then on next page we are having an exercise of comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the opposite of those in the table. So these are simply words opposite. You have to pick one word from the block above and you have to fill this table. Long opposite is short. Everything opposite is nothing. Same opposite is different. So you have to fill this table. Then exercise vocabulary. Use a rhyming word to complete each sentence properly. It all went wrong when I sang a song. So you are writing the word that is the same of that in the sentence. Like it all went wrong when I sang the song. Wrong and song are the rhyming words. So you have to fill all these using a correct rhyming word or as according to your choice. Then exercise C is the word structure. Again you have to write the words that begins with these letters like WH, what, who, which, why. These are all WH words. So you have to fill this table. Then CR is crop, crime, criminal, creature. So these are starting with CR word. Then ST. So you have to fill this column and so on. Then we have exercise D, descriptors. Choose two words from the list to complete each sentence. You have to pick two words and you have to fill in these blanks. Exercise E, teaser time. Remove one letter from each word to make a new word. So here are few words and you have to remove one letter, whether it's from the start or from the end of the word. Then you have to write one word. Like in number 4, it's written gasp. So what simply you have to do is you have to remove P, and when you will remove P, the word gas will come, right? Then after this we have a checkup time. It's vocabulary A. Use the words to complete the sentences. Again you are having fill in the blanks and you have to pick the words from the blocks and fill in the blanks. Then exercise B is comprehension. So again true and false you are having. So this was the end of our exercise. Now what you have to do is you have to pick some nouns and verbs from unit number 3 and unit number 4, and you have to write these two things in your rough copies. Nouns and verbs from unit number 3 and unit number 4. I hope you will do your homework very well. Thank you so much.